Hi, I'm Mary Fritz. Welcome to my studio, the Red Cedar Studio. I am the founding member of the Crackpot Studio Tour. I have been in ceramics for about 30 years, and I got my MFA here in 2015, an MFA in ceramics. And when I was done, I built the studio. The other thing about the Red Cedar Studio is I designed and built it. I designed it myself and built it. So all the mistakes that are in it are mine, but all the good things are mine too. My exterior sculptures and some of my interior sculptures also are kind of based in Mother Earth kind of images. I'm very ecologically minded. I think about the environment often. My art as a mother of not only of children, but of my yard, my planet, my environment feels very strongly. And I try to convey this in a lot of my sculptures. So my exterior sculptures, for example, Edwina, has a message built into it. It's not just a pretty sculpture. It has the American Indian sign of welcome in her hands. Hidden behind her in the receptacle where you could put flowers is a message from Wallace, who was a contemporary of Darwin. This sculpture is Chelina, and she's a naiad from Greek mythology, which is like a dryad, but she lives in mountainous freshwater streams and protects them. Within Jacinta, there's a message that says, we share this planet. Very simple, very direct message. And it's in her bosom, it's in her heart, it's where, you know, her being, her core being is. And so this one's Pachamama, which is Ecuadorian for Mother Earth, and it talks about nature itself has rights. And I think that's very forward thinking, and so I tattooed it on my sculpture.